Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am so excited about today's look because it's something a little bit different, dramatic, sultry, colorful, bright. I am obsessed with it. I was actually inspired by this look that Yana Panfilovskaya did on her Instagram. I am obsessed. So she did this look with a black to purple liner and then purple on the lower lash line, and I really wanted to do purple because I love purple on my eyes because it makes my eyes look super green. But I was looking through my videos and I'm like, you know what? I don't have anything that's like a really nice bright cobalt blue look on my channel. So that is what I did for you guys today. I hope that you enjoy, and if you want to stick around to see how I created this look, then just keep on watching. I'm going to the Balm Cosmetics Meet Matrimony eyeshadow palette. The first shadow I'm picking up is Matte Evans. I'm starting off with my Sigma E38 Diffuse Crease Brush and just start running the shadow through my crease. And now I'm picking that up on my Sigma E25 blending brush. And I'm doing just a one shaded smoky eye, so that's why I kind of use that first brush to distribute it a little bit fluffier kind of through my crease like I would with a transition shade. And now switching over to this brush to kind of intensify that shadow through my crease and deepen the shade a little bit. And then picking up that shadow again and just tapping that all over my lid. And look at how easy that smoky eye was. I'm now picking up Matte Ahmed. I'm using my EO6 Wing Liner brush by Sigma, and I'm just going to outline my liner. This is just going to make it easier for when I go in with the liquid liner. Now going into the Ofra Verified Liquid Liner in black. And now just going over top of that black eyeshadow and outlining my liner. I also just extended it a little bit. I needed to get super close up to the mirror for that. And now I'm just going to fill in that liner, and I'm making sure that I stop that liner halfway. For my blue liner, I'm going into the Milk Makeup Eye Pigment in Sesh. I'm now picking up some of the pigment on my EO6 Wing Liner brush by Sigma, and I'm going to start creating that inner part of my liner and then connecting it up to the black liner. And then once again with my EO6 Wing Liner brush, I'm going to create that inner corner liner. So because this liner is shiny, I'm going to pick up a little bit of the shadow and just start tapping that over top of the liner. And then you can use the tip of this brush and that black shadow just to blend the blue and black together. Now picking up this pigment on my Sigma E21 smudge brush, I'm going to start applying this on my lower lash line and then start smoking this out. And you have to work quick with these before they set. I'm going to the Beige Cosmetics Trendy in Tokyo eyeshadow palette. I'm now picking up Electric. And then just to add a bit of pop, I'm going to apply the shadow right over top of my lower lash line. Now going into Fortune. So now you can see my lower lash line's looking super harsh. We don't want that. That's a no-no. So I'm picking up this shadow on my Sigma E54 medium sweeper brush. I'm first just going to tap and then start blending. And then just concentrate on blending this out. You can go back and forth between this shadow and the other shadow I applied. Then picking up the Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Pencil in Chaos. I'm now going to line my lower waterline. I'm now going to apply some mascara and false lashes, and I'm going to the Ardell 3D Foam Ink Lashes in 861. And that's the eye look done. So I'm first going to line my lips with the NYX Lip Pencil in Nude Beige. And then I'm going to do a little lip contour and shading. And now in the center, I'm going to pop on a little bit of this NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream in Cairo. Now let's do a gloss to make my lips look a little more plump and juicy. I'm going to go into this Ofra lip gloss in Myth. And that's it. This is the completed look of my Pop of Blue eyeliner look. I hope you guys enjoyed. I'm obsessed. You could do this with any shade and it would look so amazing. I would love to see your recreations, so don't forget to tag me on Instagram if you do recreate this look. And if you want to follow me on Instagram and Twitter, that'd be right here, as well as down in the description box. And also list up all the products that I used today, along with my brush set with Sigma that I used to create this look, will be listed down below for you guys to find everything easier. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell to get notified whenever I upload. And I think that should be it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!